Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Firestick. First, connect your Firestick directly into an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug the included power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to your Firestick. Don't forget to insert the two AAA batteries into your remote control. Finally, use your television remote to select the correct HDMI input, usually labeled HDMI 1, 2, or 3. To see the Firestick's welcome screen, this gets you started in just a few simple steps. Once your Firestick powers on, the next crucial step is connecting to the internet. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network. Then, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. After connecting, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. If you already have one, simply enter your details. If not, it's easy to create a new account right from your television screen. This ensures you can access all your content. With your Firestick connected and logged in, it's time to personalize your experience. The home screen offers a wide array of content and recommendations. Use the search function to find your favorite streaming applications like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. Once found, simply select and install them from the App Store. You can also easily rearrange your apps on the home screen, placing your most used ones front and center for quick and convenient access. Enjoy customizing your entertainment hub. To truly enhance your Firestick experience, master the voice remote. Simply press the microphone button and speak your commands to Alexa, whether it's to open an app, search for a movie, or control playback. Don't forget to explore the settings menu for display and audio adjustments, ensuring the best picture and sound quality. Regularly updating your device's software is also key for optimal performance. Finally, consider a virtual private network for added security and access to more content. Happy streaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.